Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by shutting down the virtual machine completely. Suspended states keep files in use. Once done, make sure Fusion is closed to avoid file locks, then open Finder and navigate to your virtual machine's folder, usually in Documents. Look for the VMware VM bundle that matches the VM name and check whether there are snapshots or linked clones. Those affect deletion and disk usage. This step prevents partial deletes and data loss and primes you for safely removing all related files. Now open Fusion and select the VM in the library list. You'll use Virtual Machine, then Delete from Library, or right-click the VM and choose Remove. This detaches the VM entry without touching files unless you confirm. When prompted, choose Move to Trash to remove the VMware VM bundle from disk. If you see options about keeping files, pick Delete to free space. Make sure there are no background snapshots. If present, Fusion warns you, because snapshots must be deleted or consolidated first. Finish by emptying the macOS trash to permanently free disk space. Until you do, the VM remains recoverable. Once emptied, verify in Finder that no orphaned VMDK or snapshot files remain in the VM folder or a backup location. If Fusion refuses to delete files because they're locked, make sure Fusion is fully quit. Stop any VMware background processes, or reboot your Mac and attempt the delete again. This resolves file lock issues and prevents corruption while ensuring a clean removal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.